I came upon a scene, a simple little scene. And the scene was just like a Sunday afternoon dinner. And they were dining. And the minute I saw them dining, I knew that if I could arrest the activity which I was feeling within me, that these people would go still. They'd all be still. Well, I had no sooner entertained the thought than I did. I froze my head. As I did so, here was a foursome, two young fellows, about 21, 23 years old, and their parents in their middle 40s. And one fellow facing me was having soup, and he had just brought the soup spoon this far. When I froze the activity in my head, he couldn't move it. The waitress coming through the door with the second course, she stopped in her tracks. Everything stopped. A bird flying flew not. The grass waving waved not. Leaves falling fell not. Everything froze. And when I released the activity in me, all things continued in their course. The bird that was frozen and arrested continued. Now, if I froze that bird right now, and he's in flight, will he not fall? If a bird is now still, it can't remain in the air and be still. It has to be in motion to remain in the air. Well, it was not in motion and it didn't fall. Everything froze, and the leaves could not fall. And the waitress walking with that second course couldn't walk. And the boy, young fellow, 21, 22, he couldn't continue the action. And when I released that activity in my head, then he continued the action and took the soup. And she continued to bring the thing. And I saw that when I woke from that state, everything changed in my world. That everything here is dead. And we are the animating power. Without man, everything would be dead. Nature would be dead. For God is in man. And were it not that living word is in man, everything here would be dead. And you take that power to arrest it, and everything is stand still. For the world is yourself pushed out.